How to use Klarna with Amazon or eBay. Shopping on Amazon or eBay, Klarna can simplify your payments, and let's see how to do it easily and quickly. At checkout, select Pay Later with Klarna or Pay in 4 installments if the option is available. Klarna will display your schedule and confirm the transaction. You can track these purchases inside the Orders tab of the Klarna app. Always check if Klarna is available for a specific seller. Not all merchants support Klarna yet. Do you prefer Klarna for big purchases or small ones? Share your thoughts about it in the comments below. And that's how you can use Klarna with Amazon or eBay. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.